So, palanggayin sa tanan, today we're going to play the Jeopardy game. So, let's start with Miss Nakamura. Miss Nakamura, please choose an amount.
600, ma'am.
600. Okay. So, passing of the work of someone else as one's own or without acknowledgement of the original source. So, may tawagan na niya. Okay. Okay ba na?
Wait lang, ma'am.
Okay. Done. Okay, opens up. Okay, reveal the answer. So, plagiarism.
Wrong po.
Okay, who got the right answer? Team 1. 100 to team 2. Okay. Next.
So, score.
Next.
Miss Habatay, normal malware, 1,000.
Okay, common malware. My God. Okay. Give a discrete example of malware symptoms. So, daghan man to.
Uy, kamalukuan.
Saan sa man to? Sige, dito. Daghan man to sila. Give 2 lang. Give 2.
2 points ni ma'am.
No, 1,000. For 1,000 points.
Ay,
Sorry.
sorry ka.
1,000 points. Okay. Finish.
Yes.
Okay, let's reveal the answer.
Okay.
So, wala siya. No?
Check ko, ma'am. Tama yung modified or identified.
So, check tanan.
Crashing ako.
Okay, perfect. Kailangan correct ka na.
Perfect. And good score.
So, what's line at time, no? Okay, next, Miss Uhian is
Sa column developing basic digital skills 800.
digital skills 800. Okay. So, it's the ability to look analytically at any communication to interpret the real message and evaluate the efficacy of the chosen medium. So, unsa may tawag ato? Hindi siya may tawag ato. Okay, Miss Nakamura, manaka. Okay. Reveal.
Yes.
Fluency. So, sa Miss Ulian. Okay, so Miss Ulian.
About na po 200.
So next, let's go back to Miss Nakamura. Miss Nakamura, please choose an amount.
400.
400. Sa man ano?
Roll of ICT.
Role of ICT. So integrate the learning with the changes in either a form of frequency or observable performance. So unsa man to siya?
Last lesson na natulog, no?
Yes. So opens up. Okay, dun sa nagsasabi sa inyo. Okay, let's reveal the answer. So let's okay, perfect. So, okay. So last. Please choose Miss Abate.
Element of digital citizenship.
It had the
Ang pwede na sure ka nila ni Son.
It involves teaching students how to protect their psychological and physical well-being while using the internet. So, unsa man to siya?
Patay.
Unsa man to siya?
Ako ba ito?
Mana? Sinusulian? May answer sinusulian? Miss Nakamura, nag-answer. Sige daw, mami. Wala daw, ma'am. Let's reveal the answer. So, the wellness. Okay. Congratulations, Miss Abate. So, the winner is Miss Abate. Congratulations. Yes. Second, Miss Buyan. And the last is Miss Nakamura. Congrats, guys. You did your best. So, see you next meeting. Thank you for your time.